Every parent believes they know what's best for their children, but billionaire Daniel Carter trusted no one. After several nannies quit without explanation, he secretly installed cameras all over his luxurious estate to watch over his 1-year-old twins, Noah and Lily. He told no one, not even his new maid, Emma, a humble young woman who had recently accepted the job after struggling to support her sick mother. Daniel expected to catch another careless employee. Instead, what he witnessed changed his life forever. One warm afternoon, while reviewing the camera footage from his office, Daniel saw Emma carrying the twins into the backyard. At first he frowned. She filled an old metal wash tub with cool water from the garden faucet instead of using the expensive marble nursery bathroom. Daniel was ready to fire her for ignoring the house rules. But then he noticed something different. Emma wasn't being lazy. She was laughing with the babies, gently splashing water while singing an old lullaby her grandmother had once sung to her. The twins, who rarely smiled after losing their mother, burst into uncontrollable laughter for the first time in months. Daniel froze. He kept watching. Emma carefully checked the water temperature with her wrist, washed each child with incredible patience, wrapped them in soft towels, and kissed their foreheads like they were her own family. She never knew the hidden cameras were recording every moment. Later that evening, Daniel watched even more footage. He saw Emma reading bedtime stories long after her shift had ended, cleaning toys without being asked, and quietly praying beside the twins' cribs that they would grow up healthy and loved. She wasn't working for a paycheck, she genuinely cared. The next morning Daniel finally approached her. "Why do you do all this?" he asked. Emma smiled softly and replied, "Because children never remember expensive houses. They remember how safe someone made them feel." Those words struck Daniel harder than any business deal ever had. For years he had believed money could replace time, love, and attention. It couldn't. That afternoon he removed every hidden camera from the house. "I don't need them anymore," he said. "Trust is worth more than surveillance." Emma became a permanent part of the Carter family, and Daniel began spending less time chasing wealth and more time making memories with his children. The mansion that once felt cold and empty was finally filled with laughter again. Sometimes the greatest blessing doesn't arrive wearing a designer suit. It walks through the front door wearing a simple apron and carrying a kind heart. If this story touched your heart and reminded you that love is the greatest treasure of all, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel for more emotional stories that inspire hope, kindness, and second chances. Your support helps us bring you a new heartfelt story every week.